Hey, how's it going out there? To all the fans of the Clausen milling machine, I picked this up, this 8520, from a guy that had it for about 30 years. He said he bought it for some guy that was retiring, an old machinist, and he bought this 25 years or 30 years ago, what he told me. And it's in very, very nice shape. The model with the riser block. Has a newer drum switch, but it's well taken care of. The table's been redone. All new bearings and bushings on the X and the Y have been done. Spindle bearings are in excellent condition. This machine's been well taken care of by the previous owner. And it has a DRO installed in it already on all axes. I do have the screen that's gonna go here for it. Yet to mount that. And I will be installing a three-phase motor with a variable frequency drive to control the speed. Yeah, it's wired for 120. It was at a home here in LA, and here it goes. It's butter smooth on all axes. For all the guys that love these old Clausens, this one's really nice shape. Everything works as it should. It's butter smooth. Everything is butter smooth. Look at this. Wow. Previous owner told me he even had the table resurfaced, precision grounded. It looks pretty straight. Put some oil in it. Threw some whey oil. I will be adding oil to all these points and I have the manuals. It came with the end mills and sorts of stuff, extras. So I think I really got a nice deal on the machine that they're really hard to come by. And this one's in really nice shape. Thanks for watching.